In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe or cancel your Kajabi subscription. Now, if you're ready to take this step, let's make it as smooth as possible. We're going to walk through step by step so you can confidently manage your subscription. First, you'll want to log into your Kajabi account. This is where everything begins. Head over to the Kajabi website and sign in using your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. From here, you need to navigate to the Settings option, which you will find at the bottom left corner of the sidebar on your dashboard. Once you're in the Settings menu, the next move is to go to your billing settings. Under the Account Settings section, look for Billing and click on it. This is where you will find details regarding your current plan, billing cycle, and payment information. It's good to have a quick look through these details to understand what your subscription currently entails before proceeding with any changes. Now, the crucial part, canceling your subscription. In the billing section, search for the cancel subscription option. Once located, go ahead and click on it. At this point, Kajabi will likely prompt you with a series of questions. They might want to understand your reason for canceling, which helps them improve their service. Additionally, they could offer you an option to pause your account instead of doing a full cancellation, a useful choice if you're considering returning soon but need a temporary break. Make sure you explore your options thoroughly. Once you have made your decision, confirm the cancellation. Carefully follow the prompts to ensure the process is completed correctly. After you've confirmed your cancellation, the next step is verification. You should receive an email from Kajabi confirming your subscription cancellation. Keep an eye on your email inbox for this confirmation to ensure everything has processed successfully. It's important to note that even after canceling, your account will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. This means you won't lose access to your content right away, so you can continue to use the service until your current subscription period concludes. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to canceling your Kajabi subscription. Remember to check your email for the cancellation confirmation and make full use of your current billing cycle. Whether you're moving on to other ventures or taking a temporary break, knowing how to manage your subscriptions puts you in control.